everybody, it's Greg again. Heck yeah, you can cook, and today make my holiday butterscotch cookie. A lot of fun today. Some of the tools you're going to need before we get started. If you don't have a stand mixer, make sure you have a really big bowl with a hand mixer, and you're going to need at least 3 cooking sheets, parchment paper, and a mixing bowl. The ingredients for today, you're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, all right, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sugar. You can use regular or turbinado, 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed. I've got 8 ounces of melted unsalted butter. Pure Irish butter works best. I've got 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour. My butterscotch morsels right there. You can use chocolate chip, you can use peanut butter. I have got 1 rounded teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. Heck yeah. Now that you've got the ingredients, heck yeah, it's time to put this together. What I like to do is put the wet mix in first. So I add the sugar, which is both the brown and the white, right in, and then add the extract. Then we add the cinnamon, then we add the nutmeg. You can already smell the cookies starting to pop up here. And what we do now is we add the butter. And that is your wet mix. After you've added the butter, it's a good time then to add your eggs. Right in. And while you're about to mix this, it's a good time to heat your oven to 350 degrees. That's 350 degrees. I add the whisk attachment. We put this on medium speed for about 3 minutes until it gets nice and frothy. After that's finished, we need to get the dry ingredients put together. I'm going to put the flour into a thing, and I whisk together the salt, and we add the 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda right in there. In your whisk, just simply move this around. Now we just mix it all together. Unlock this bad boy. Allow that to drip down. We got that wet mix nice and put together. We add the flour and salt and baking soda dry mix in. And I don't shy away. I go ahead and add my butterscotch morsels. Cookie paddle on, lock, and load. Let this go until it makes a nice ball. Slow speed. There you go. Heck yeah. Got that kind of gooey ball. That's what you want. Yum. Don't forget your parchment paper. Lay that out. Set it right down on your cookie sheet. You're going to set the cookie balls right on. Now while you're making your cookies, either stand close to your sink or have a bowl of water, because every once in a while you're going to want to wet your fingertips. Roll them up. Roll them up, set them right on the paper, fill the whole sheet up. As you roll them, if they start to stick, just wet your hands again. You don't want these about ping pong ball size. We're going to make, you see we have them on our sheet, you kind of push the balls together if you want to make them a little more smooth. And I slightly press them down, just a little bit to kind of get them started. And you want that kind of spacing between them so you have room. We're going to cook these between 13 and 14 minutes in the oven. Start checking at 13. Pull them out. Got my cooling racks. Heck yeah. Well, there you go, everybody. Butterscotch holiday cookies. I'll let these cool for about 10 minutes. House smells so good. Heck yeah. Everyone have a wonderful day.